Hello. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna change the element of the character. As you can see, I have 3 earth and 1 lightning. So we're gonna go to the market and then go to the skill shop. And then as you can see, there are lots of new items here. And there's the new shield, and this is what we need. The earth character element potion. So I already bought one, so let's go back to the plaza and just click the character and the change trait. It's gonna appear there, and click earth, and then we wait. So after a few seconds of waiting, you're gonna see the character change its trait. Okay, so more waiting. It's gonna take about 30 seconds or so, and I'm gonna check my MetaMask, and yep, it's still pending. And once it is already approved, you're gonna see, tada! Now it's an Earth character. And it's a bit costly, but it's worth it.